Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our GMC Terrain. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with alloy rims. We have all-wheel drive, rear privacy tint, as well as backup camera. Now moving on to the interior of the Terrain. On our door panel we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, as well as our mirror controls, Pioneer speaker and storage. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support, just tucked around to the bottom there. Can't really see them because of the little cover for it. We have our interior lighting controls, gauge cluster with a screen, multifunction leather wrapped steering wheel, obviously the GMC badge in the middle, and your hand fits nicely down here for long drives, also off to the sides. Our infotainment screen also comes with a built-in backup camera. Below that we have our radio controls, dual zone climate, just climate controls, as well as our a CD player underneath. We have some storage, gear selection stock, 2 cup holders, and padded leather center console lid. Front seats are featured in black fabric with a kind of black gray mesh in the lower portion and red stitching. OnStar controls in the rear view mirror, and above that we have reading lights. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our GMC alloy rims, thick match mirror caps and door handles, and rear privacy tint. Out of the back we have our liftgate, GMC badging, as well as our dual exhaust and hitch. Onto the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. We have our magazine holders back of the front seats, charging outlet, and the back seats are a 60-40 split with fold-down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our GMC Terrain. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.